even though it feels like now it's starting to come of age, it is really still the early days of the no-code community. So everyone that's here, everyone that's part of this, you are the pioneers, still like trying to figure out the boundaries and push the boundaries.
The only way to create something positive is to share it with the next person and the next person, and you get something back when you share.
We really, really believe that without this community, the power of visual development, the power of no code is only going to be like 1/10 of what it can be.
It's great to just be roaming around and hopping into different rooms and seeing what people are talking about.
I feel like I just took like another step into this amazing world.
It really is the closest thing for a conference that I had virtually.
The concept of a metaverse space where you can actually connect with people synchronously, that increases the probability and the ability for you to build a relationship.
I think it, comes down to, the tools are going to get better and better, but eventually it's about, how you use them and the story you're telling, and that's how you connect.
Through this event itself, right, Mario, what you guys are doing and what we do and what I do, all of us, what we're trying to do here is to build the on-ramp for the next billion people who have never heard of no code, but could be beneficiaries of no code.
Thank you very much for the event. It was as cool as last year, way more cooler than last year actually, and I can't wait for the next.
I think that part of community is that we all have sort of a shared passion, and with that's Webflow.
And I'm very chuffed to be surrounded by such warm people and such giving people. So from my side, yeah, I'm tearing up now.
Yeah, it's just this community is amazing. This community is something special. Just listening to y'all, find a way to plug in. This community will give you so much back if you put in just a little bit of work.
This entire event was a massive success. I thought it was going to be great. It exceeded my expectations.